Discovering the Hmong people in New Zealand, positioned in the vastness of the southwestern Pacific Ocean. New Zealand is a mosaic of cultures, each contributing uniquely to the nation's rich tapestry. While the country is predominantly recognized for its Maori and European heritage, there lies an intricate weave of diverse cultures, among which the Hmong community sparkles with its vibrant tradition and resilience. Maori unveiling the Hmong culture, originating roots. The Hmong, an ethnic group from the mountainous regions of China, Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand, have imprinted their cultural essence across the globe, including in the far-flung islands of New Zealand. Cultural identity, renowned for their intricate embroidery, rich folklore, and a powerful spirit of community. The Hmong people have maintained their cultural identity robustly despite global dispersion. The Hmong diaspora in New Zealand, migration stories, escaping conflict and seeking better lives. Several Hmong families migrated to New Zealand, notably after the Vietnam War, assimilating, yet preserving their culture in a new homeland. Community formation. In New Zealand, the Hmong have established tight-knit communities, often centering around social organizations, religious spaces, and annual cultural events. Vibrant traditions and celebrations. Hmong New Year, a spectacular affair filled with traditional clothing, music, and dance. The Hmong New Year is a significant event that offers a glimpse into their rich cultural heritage. Craftsmanship. The Hmong are celebrated for their exceptional skills in textile art, particularly their pine-top flower cloth, which is often showcased in various cultural exhibitions and events. Challenges and adaptation. Balancing cultures. Navigating through the New Zealand way of life while clinging to their roots. The Hmong people often grapple with the challenges of cultural preservation and adaptation. Generational narratives. While elders strive to pass down traditions, younger generations often find themselves in a cultural tug-of-war, balancing modernity with tradition. Contributions to New Zealand society. Multicultural fabric. The Hmong, with their vivid traditions, add a valuable thread to New Zealand's multicultural quilt, fostering an environment of diversity and inclusivity. Economic and social input. Engaging in various sectors like agriculture, business, and social services. The Hmong community contributes actively to the economic and social vitality of New Zealand. Exploring Hmong culinary delights. Flavorful cuisines. A journey into their cuisine reveals a rich palette of flavors, characterized by the usage of fresh herbs, vegetables, and meat, often reflecting their agrarian roots. Culinary events. Participating in food festivals and hosting culinary events. The Hmong share their delectable dishes, weaving a culinary connection among cultures. Conclusion. Navigating through the lush landscapes and vibrant cities of New Zealand, the stories, traditions, and perseverance of the Hmong people enchantingly unfold. Their journey from Asian highlands to the Pacific Islands illuminates a tale of resilience, cultural preservation, and the beautiful confluence of traditions in a distant land. As we explore the contours of their culture, from spectacular celebrations to the subtle, comforting flavors of their cuisine, the Hmong community in New Zealand emerges as a beautiful symbiosis of ancestral roots and newfound homes. Thank you for watching.